Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will create a model-driven app using one of the standard tables available in your Microsoft Power Apps environment. Before creating a model-driven app, you must first create a solution where your app will reside. On the Power Apps homepage, select Solutions. You might need to select More from the left side navigation panel, then you can find Solutions. Select New Solution from the command bar. In the New Solution panel that appears on the right-hand side of your screen, input the following: Display Name, Learning Account, Publisher, select one from the drop-down. Select the Create button at the bottom of the panel. Once your solution appears, you see a list of objects on the left-hand pane. Each object is followed by a number in parentheses denoting how many items of that object are part of the solution. For example, agent 0 indicates that there are 0 agents in the solution. In the command bar along the top of the screen, select Add Existing Table. Find and select the account table, then select Next. The selected tables will open. Select the box Include All Objects, then select the Add button at the bottom of the screen. After a moment, your account table will show up as an object for your solution. In the list of objects on the left, it now shows tables 1, indicating that there is now one table object in your solution. While still in the Solution Objects menu, go to the command bar along the top of the screen and select New, App, Model-Driven App. Name your app Learning Accounts and select Create. Your new app will open in the App Designer, and you can now add components to it. You can add pages to your app from within the App Designer. Select Add Page from the command bar along the top of the screen. In the Add Page pop-up window, select Dataverse Table. Next, select the Account table and click the Add button. Publish your app using the button in the top right side of the command bar. Publish will automatically publish your app. Select the Accounts form. When selected, your form will show on the Power Apps canvas the same way it appears in the app for your users. Select the pencil to the right of the Accounts form name to edit the form. There are many customization options on this pre-configured form. Let's do a couple of simple changes so you can see how easy it is to edit the form. There is a Table Columns pane to the left of your canvas. Scroll down through this list of options in this pane and select Ticker Symbol. Observe that the ticker symbol column was added to your form. We don't need a ticker symbol on the form, so let's delete it. With the ticker symbol still selected, select Delete from the command bar or the Delete button on your keyboard to remove it. When you delete this item, you're not deleting this column from your data, you're simply removing it from the form. If you accidentally delete a column, Power Apps has a handy undo button in the command bar, just to the right of the back button. At this point, if you've made any changes that you want to keep, select Save and Publish from the top right of the command bar. Once Power App finishes republishing your form, select Back from the top left of the command bar to exit the form editor and return to your app editor. When you created this app, Power Apps also made views for the Accounts table. In the Pages panel under Navigation, you can see any views that are already a part of your app. Here you can see an Accounts view was created, and your canvas shows the view My Active Accounts. The drop-down just to the right of the title, My Active Accounts, allows you to select another view. Click on the drop-down to see other views that are available. Let's edit a view. Select Accounts View in the Navigation menu of the Pages panel. Notice that a panel appears on the right-hand side of the screen. This panel shows all the views in your Accounts table, the same list that you can see when you click the drop-down next to My Active Accounts in the canvas. The list of views in this panel also shows the type of view, public or private. Here you can also see that My Active Accounts is a default view for the app. We're going to modify the My Active Accounts view. First, make sure that that's the view that's selected. The canvas should still show the title My Active Accounts. If it doesn't, select My Active Accounts from the list of views in the right side panel. Now, select Edit View from the command bar at the top to open the view editor. Power Apps easily allows you to reposition columns easily. Let's move to the main phone column to the right of the view. Let's select and hold the main phone column header in the center canvas, then drag and drop it to the right side of Address 1, State, Province column. To save your changes, select Save and Publish from the top right of the command bar. When Power Apps is done publishing the changes, select the back button to close the view editor. Notice that your preview canvas now includes the State Province column. Power Apps include some interactive charts created with the sample data in the Accounts table. Let's explore these. Within your preview canvas, select the Show Chart button from the App command bar. The bar at the top of your user preview canvas, in the middle of the screen. The chart panel appears below the title. Select the drop-down next to the title Accounts by Industry to change the chart view. Try switching the view between several options including Accounts by Industry, Accounts by Owner, and New Accounts by Month to see a few examples. Notice that there are different ways you can portray data within a view. Thanks for checking out my video. If you haven't already, take a look at the other tutorials on my channel.